Good morning. I'm Mitchell Schechter with the Schechter Report, and I'm here with Mark Whalen at the Electrolux Professional North American booth at the New York Hotel, Motel, and Restaurant Show. Mark, what brought you to the show this year?
Well, it was my decision to have Electrolux exhibit at this year's show because we were in here when we first got to America with the professional product line for Electrolux, and in the past several years we have not been in the show, but it's such an important market that I felt that we needed to have a presence here. Most of the influential consultants from the area are here, and that's a big part of our target audience, so I felt it was a way to reach our consultant market. Our dealers come through here, and just felt like it was the right thing to do for the brand. As a matter of fact, what I see happening with this show is it's kind of scaled itself down quite a bit, but it really is focused on the target audience that we want to reach. That is the big hotel chains, the design consultants. So it's more of a targeted specifier show now. There's no food here, so I think it's a good target market for us, and it's a good way for us to continue to market the brand. Which new products have you brought to this show, and what would you like to say about them? Well, the best thing I think that we've done, among a number of things, is the touchpad combi oven. What we've done here is taken what we feel is the world's best combi oven and given it the iPod Touch user interface.
Oh, that's cool.
So we'll go back to automatic mode, and what you can see here is, if you're familiar with an iPod Touch or an iPhone, we have created a user interface that is intuitive, and we spent a lot of money looking at studying how people react with machines.
Really?
Not just cooking equipment, machines overall. So we looked at it kind of almost from an anthropological viewpoint, is how do people interact with machines to try and make it as intuitive as possible. When you combine the user interface now, that I feel separates us from our competitors, with the performance characteristics of this oven, and I could go on and on and on about that, I think we absolutely have the best combi oven in the world. And it's part of a series of ovens. What you have over here is our Aero Convect, which is really like an entry-level combi oven. It's a boilerless combi with a self-cleaning, so you have convection, you have combi mode, steam mode, and a self-cleaning system. Excellent. You don't have the programmability, but it's about 30% less money than buying a combi oven. If you need the full functioning combi oven, you can get that. If all you need is convection and steam, you can get that at a lower price point with this. In my view, what people ask me, where's the food service industry going? What do you see are the trends in menus, and what do you see the trends in food service? And I say there's two ends of the spectrum, fast and slow.
Right.
There's really two things going on today, and so you got to play on both ends of the spectrum. On the fast side, people are looking; they don't want to wait in lines, and we have things such as our high-speed panini press that we don't have here. We've taken the time for one of our major accounts from 6 to 8 minutes to cook a panini to 1 minute and 15 seconds. Excellent. And we've done the same thing with the Aero Speed. We just completed a project with a major institution in the Midwest. They're going to buy 20 of them, because we can rethermalize in a healthcare environment in a minute and a half where they were taking 12 to 14 minutes. As a matter of fact, our pressure braising pan, which is right here, is something that's been in the line for a long time. What we can do with the pressure braising pan is cook risotto, which chefs will tell you takes an hour and a half. We can do it in 8 minutes here. We can do a braised lamb shank in less than an hour and have it falling off the bone, infused with flavor, just a wonderful end-use product. So that's the fast side. On the slow side, we look at low temperature cooking, overnight cooking, and sous vide, and there's a big movement in that direction, and in that regard our combi plays beautifully into that. And the combination of our combi and blast chiller, and then and slow rethermalization gives us all kinds of flexibility. So with where the trends are going, we've got the products to meet the need. And at the same time, a key component of the way we behave, not with just the equipment that we have, it's how we run our company, it's how we manage our supply chain. We are totally committed to sustainability at every level of our organization. So our products are going to be leading in that category. We run our business in that category. We behave as a corporate a corporate entity with sustainability as a key thing. So if some takeaways here would be innovation and sustainability are two of the key attributes of what you get when you do business with Electrolux.
How do you see the industry in general progressing during the first quarter or two of 2011?
I think we are still in a very challenging environment. I think that new construction is going to continue to be challenged for quite a while. So we won't see the level of project work that we've seen in the past. So I think that therefore we're going to need to look for ways to bring operational solutions to chains and end users and compete in the replacement market as a key part of moving forward. As a matter of fact, I've taken on the responsibility this year of heading up our global accounts chains business unit because we realize it's something that we have to devote time and energy and invest in, and so I'm proud to be leading that part of our company's effort.